Hi, everyone. Thanks for your listening today. I'm Joe, General Manager for Tuya BU Commercial Lighting. I'm glad to share IoT-enabled commercial lighting based on Tuya SaaS and PaaS solutions. There are three topics on today's agenda. Number one, the trend of the commercial lighting industry. Discover the trends of IoT-enabled commercial lighting after LED transformation. Number two, Tuya Smart Commercial Lighting Solution. Explore new revenue growth and business models change by working with an IoT platform. Number three, the application cases. Optimize the value for customers with commercial lighting paths and application in different scenarios. The concept of space we live and work in keeps changing. In the early days, we only need a basic building to live in, so we care about the low cost of the building material, such as cement and steel. Then we realize that the buildings consume too much energy and material and start to pay attention to the green building. Therefore, we have a green building guidelines coming out. For example, LEED certificates, including guidelines for the site, water saving, energy saving, resource material, indoor environment. In general, lighting is a 35% of the total energy consumption for a building and is the second largest next to HVAC. Later, we find out the human is the center of the buildings. We could not just sacrifice health and comfort for energy saving. Then we have the concept of well building. The well building certificate evaluates a building from different segments, such as air, water, nutrition, light, sports, thermal comfort, acoustic environment, materials, spirit, and the community. What does it mean to the concept of lighting in commercial air spaces? Yes, lighting is an essential element for a building. We should pay attention to the lighting design, energy saving, health, and comfort as well. Lighting design is a field of work or study that is concerned with the design of lighting system within the building environment, both interior and exterior. It can include manipulation and the design of both daylight and electric light or both to serve human needs. Lighting design is based on both science and the visual arts. The basic aim of lighting within the building environment is to enable occupants to see clearly and without discomfort. The objective of the architectural lighting design is to balance the art and the science of lighting to create mood, visual interest, and enhance the experience of a space or place while it's still meeting the technical and the safety requirements. To get a comfortable lighting effect, we have standards and guidelines regarding illumination, uniformity, unified glare rating. We also need to consider the arrangement of lighting fixtures, light focus effect, light intensity, color temperature, and light colors. Lighting control does reduce energy consumption. Look at the table from the report Energy Saving from Network Lighting Control Systems by Designlines Consortium, a nonprofit organization in the United States. Its mission is to achieve energy optimization by enabling controllability with a focus on quality, people, and the environment. So we can see overall energy saving for lighting is 47%. In the warehouse, lighting control may save 82% energy consumption, and in the office is 63%. Regarding lighting for health and comfort, a lot of research shows that lighting influences mood, productivity, perception, circadian rhythm, vision, and sustainability. In 2012, Stan Waller-Chris published an introductory article on human-centric lighting, which was the first to systematize and doctrine the assumption of human-centric lighting. Global Lighting Association provides us a roadmap for lighting transition. From 1920 to 2010, we got involved in transition from efficient lighting to LED lighting. From 2017, we are in the stage of intelligent lighting systems, with the single LED lamps and the luminaire getting smart. Now we are stepping into the stage of serviceable and upgradable lighting systems and human-centric lighting. At those stages, we need a SaaS platform and IoT to control a group of lighting devices. What does it mean to a traditional lighting company? We should change from providing a single device to IoT-enabled lighting systems. We should change from focusing on only hardware manufacturing to the digitalization of the both software and hardware. We should change from providing sales and installation service to a professional solution, operation and maintenance. To control the lighting device, we should change from manual switch on off to multiple interfaces, such as the sensors, apps, scenes. To maintain our lighting devices, we should change from the visual observation that a lighting device is broken to data analysis, such as equipment status, automatic alarm, and energy consumption. The market size of commercial connected lighting system keeps growing fast. In 2029, it is estimated to grow to 18.1 billion US dollar. In this market, hardware, software, and the service get an almost equal proportion. Therefore, an IoT-enabled commercial lighting system is the most important element that we need to consider. It includes interface, sensors, lighting devices, software, data, and artificial intelligence. Tuya commercial lighting solution is a complete IoT control system that works for both new installations and retrofit projects. It is one-stop solution for hardware devices, control software, and the installation management. The solution we provide enables customers to monitor the operation and maintenance needs of all devices through a graphic user interface. With the built-in reporting system insights, business can identify and implement strategies to reduce operation and maintenance costs. The solution may be applied in indoor lighting environments for public buildings, for example, exhibition center and library, office industry, for example, office, parking area, warehouse, and retail and hotel segments, for example, supermarket, restaurant, and hotels. The solution may also be applied in outdoor lighting segments, such as the street lights and the petrol stations. This is the Tuya commercial lighting system structure. On the right side, all devices using Tuya IoT PaaS. No matter they are using Bluetooth, Zigbee, Wi-Fi, or NB-IoT protocol, the system can integrate multiple protocols. On the left side, Tuya commercial lighting system provides a user app and a web-based SaaS. All of them have OEM versions, which may save cost and time for our partners to develop a similar system. Tuya commercial lighting system integrates multiple devices: gateway, smart luminaire, smart driver, smart converter, centralized switch or power metering, wall box, sync panel, HVAC control panel, sensor, remote controller, curtain motors, or roller motors. The system has three major functions. First of all, energy management. Create action and things that can be automatically executed to implement energy saving strategies. Link single devices or groups action with sensors, schedules, sunrise and sunset times, weather conditions, etc. View, compare, and analyze the power consumption of the devices and groups by day, month, or year. Second, device control. view and control devices from a map of the lighting layout, monitor device conditions including status, operation time, energy consumption, and life expectancy. Automatically alarms when device change to abnormal status and a notification to a maintenance team. Third, human-centric lighting. Easily configure groups of lighting fixtures to sync with the circadian rhythm protocols. The system will automatically adjust the CCT and the brightness of the fixture throughout the day. Main features are listed on this page. It's in 4 categories: platform capabilities, lighting control, energy strategy, and other value-added features. We will explain in the following presentation. You may find more information on our SaaS portals, lighting.console.tuya.com, and also lighting.console.tuya.eu.com for partners in the Europe area, and lighting.console.tuya.us.com for partners in the North American area. Once you use an account and passcode login, you will have a data overview, including project summaries, device status information, energy consumption, maintenance notification, abnormal status alerts, building address, and weather. The system has a visual device control function, lighting device location setting, and each dot represents one area or a group of fixtures. Quickly control a lighting fixture by the building, floor, area, or a group. Easily locate abnormals, monitor and locate fixtures that need to be replaced. The device management function includes group management, create a group or quick control, scene management, create or edit the scene easily, schedule management, create or edit the schedule in the SaaS. Regarding authority management, our partners may manage accounts and roles in this system. They will get an admin account and may open sub-account by themselves. They assign roles such as project manager, user, and repairer. For energy management, here includes quick energy consumption analysis by building, floor, area, group, or individual device. Quick energy consumption analysis by day, month, or year. Data visualization. Compare usage between groups to identify energy saving opportunities. A dashboard function is provided in the system. Device data, energy consumption data, abnormal data, event data in the dashboard, so customer can choose which data display on the dashboard. A background image can be changed by our customers. GIS map service is provided for outdoor devices, such as street lighting, solar lighting, etc. Customer can set which kind of event shall trigger the alarm, such as a device abnormal, sensor data, and the alarm can be sent through email or SMS. The system does not only support devices using Tuya IoT PaaS modules, but also support gateways to connect with other wired networks, such as KNX, IS485, and DALI. The system has the heating map function coming, which is very useful for the office segment and the shopping area. When we use sensor data analysis and computing to show the space usage heating map and optimize the device management and energy saving. Regarding the human-centric lighting function, it is very easy to configure groups of lighting fixtures to sync with the circadian rhythm protocols. The system can automatically adjust the CCT and the brightness of the fixtures throughout the day. The sensor self-adjustable function is ideal for parking area and office area. self-adjusted lights dim off time based on an AI algorithm of sensor data. The maintenance management function provides a full loop of lighting device maintenance. Once get alarmed from the system, the maintenance staff will receive a failure report, then get a repair task. The repairing status will be updated in the system. Once the repairing task gets finished, it can be checked in the system. The quick replacement function is very useful for maintenance. We have two methods, and both of them do not need to configure any setting on site. They are very easy and simple for smart lighting devices. QR code control function is ideal for sharing office or library. Users just scan code and turn on the light above the desk. They can also dim down or up light to their desired level. There are 6 advantages for Tuya commercial lighting solution. Number 1, plug and play solution. No R&D is required, which allows for a quick go-to-market strategy. Number 2, compatible with multiple IoT protocols, Bluetooth, Mesh, Wi-Fi, Zigbee, NB-IoT, etc. Also be able to connect with KNX, PLC, DALI, BACnet. Number 3, digital management. Intuitive graphic user interface for monitoring devices and power consumption across multiple projects and locations. Data and AI tech will provide valuable proposals for a brand. Number 4, flexible ecosystem. In addition to lighting, Tuya's open platform can integrate security, HVAC, sunshade, and more than 100 over other product types. Number 5, we have value-added SaaS. So Tuya offers a wide variety of SaaS solutions for more complex IoT capabilities, also online more for brand. And we also have very good security capabilities. We provide a solution for different partners. For lighting device manufacturers, we may start from Tuya IoT PaaS to integrate modules into lighting devices. For system integrator who has their own software development capability, we may provide PaaS with API and SDK interface. For lighting companies who just would like to go to market at a faster speed and a low cost of development, we would provide OEM version SaaS and apps. It is time to increase value and the life cycle to end customers by changing from a single hardware manufacturer or provider to a professional solution provider and operation or maintenance service provider. Now we have some application in real cases. Case 1, it is a renovation project for China Petrol Station in Jiangxi province. We use more than 300 devices in 3 areas: shop sign, refueling zone, and a chain store. We provide energy saving strategy, safety alarm function, automatic device control, and centralized management. The result is quite amazing. Sales increased from $5,000 to $20,000, and the energy consumption for lighting is saved by 65%. Case number 2 is an office scenario. There are around 656 devices used in this project. It combined the DALI protocol with Bluetooth protocol and with integrated functions such as daylight harvesting, energy saving strategy, and human-centric lighting strategy. This case shows us how to apply the IoT-enabled commercial lighting solution in a factory. In SWE Super Factory, 600 luminaires are managed to build 63 Zigbee gateways. Not only lighting devices, but also HVAC are managed in this system. We also use PLR sensor to sense the presence of the people, as well as temperature and humidity sensors to sense the indoor environment and get connected with HVAC system to automatically provide comfort. This case is a standard classroom lighting renovation project for a middle school. The solution is applied in Haidian Experimental School in Beijing and also Hong Kong Middle School in Hong Kong. 9 smart panel lights and the 3 smart blackboard lights are used here, together with the 3 illumination sensors and 1 control panels. The solution provides eyesight protection, daylight harvesting, devices centralized management, and an energy saving plan. Case number 5 is an application in the aircraft warehouse, which is a common scenario for the industry segment. 64 Bluetooth LED controllers are used to control 64 high bay LED luminaire via 3 Bluetooth gateways and 1 control panel. Customers are very excited to use a mobile phone to control luminaires by group or single device for on-off and dim up or dim down in such a large space. They could use a computer to manage lighting devices centrally, set schedules to execute energy saving plans, and use a dashboard to monitor energy consumption. In the parking area in Huace Center building, Hangzhou, 100 smart T8 LED tube lamps are used to replace the fluorescent tube lamps. The smart LED tube integrates a Bluetooth module and a microwave sensor inside and dim up to 100% lux level when censoring the presence of the cars and the people. They are grouped so that not a single tube dimmed up. When there are no cars or people in the parking area, the smart tubes will automatically dim down. The solution reduces 60% of the energy consumption for lighting and let management staff to automatically receive failure alarm without doping routine inspection. The X-Step flagship store in Shenzhen is its new 9th generation flagship store. The space layout of the store fully considers the shopping habits of consumer and use a brand new style to create a new image of fashionable sports and young trends. It is over 1,000 square meters and has 3 floors. The store uses Tuya commercial intelligent lighting solution based on the Zigbee wireless system, which can create lighting atmospheres for different scenarios according to different sales areas and create an immersive shopping experience. At the same time, through automatic lighting control and adjustment, the purpose of the energy saving, emission reduction, and cost reduction is achieved. The features are as follows. Number 1, equipment management. Equipment status monitoring, automatic failure alarm. Number 2, centralized management. We have a group control or single control that can be carried out in one terminal according to projects, buildings, floors, group, single light device, etc. So all lighting devices can be managed according to the equipment points based on the floor plan. Number 3, scene management. Switch scenes with one button to create different atmospheres. Number 4, energy consumption management. Formulate and implement energy saving strategies based on customer flow, time, and to effectively reduce energy consumption by 30%. Which you will be interested in to our IoT-enabled smart lighting solution for commercial spaces and join to your ecosystem. And on a closing note, I would like to reiterate our vision for a smarter world. All categories, all industries, all services. Thank you. Thanks for your attention.